so I'm doing a quick review of one of my favorite styling tools that's really affordable that I use every time I want to give my hair some wave or curl. It's the BedHead wand. So it doesn't have a clip, it's just a wand. And it's got like the perfect diameter. I have really long hair, and so I can get a pretty decent curl from this. And I have friends who have shorter hair, and this is just kind of a nice medium of the road diameter and length for it. It heats up pretty quickly. It's pretty simple. It doesn't have other heat settings, but I kind of like that I can just turn it on and go. And then I also already used the liquid glass from Drybar, and I also have these clips. They're also Drybar, but you can find other ones, and I like them for separating out my hair because it's so long and thick. But this, I just plugged it in like a minute ago, is already ready to go. And you can buy gloves for your hands because it doesn't have that clip. I do it freehand, but if you're prone, you might want to do that. So you can see, again, I have really long hair, and and it's not even pushed up to the top, and that is plenty on there for me. And I really like the wand because it have a little bit of flexibility with it. I can twist my hair, do waves. I can do more like of a kinked look on it. And then I really like this liquid glass from Drybar too. It has a really nice smell, and then it does a good job at heat protecting. So there we go. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll clip this up if I want it to be more of a curl that holds, and I'll let it cool so it sets. But if you're just looking for kind of like a nice wave, you can just let it go. And that's a really nice, just kind of everyday weight to it. So I really like this. I've had this actually for a long time. It still works great. I take it with me all over the place. Just be careful of not hurting yourself.